Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a simple upsell in your Shopify cart. Let's dive right in and unlock the potential of boosting your sales with a seamless upsell strategy. Upsells are one of the easiest ways to increase your average order value without needing more traffic. Instead of relying solely on new customers, you're maximizing the value of the customers who are already ready to buy. When done correctly, upsells feel helpful rather than pushy, which is exactly what we're aiming for here. The first step in this process is to access the app section on the left side of your Shopify admin panel. Here, you'll want to search for Essential Upsell. Now, this is a fantastic free third-party app that integrates beautifully into your Shopify store. It's designed specifically to help you create effective upsell offers with ease without needing any coding or advanced technical knowledge inside Shopify. Once you've located the app, go ahead and click on the Install button. This action will lead you into the installation process, which is straightforward and user-friendly. After successfully installing the app, it will naturally appear on your admin dashboard. That's the spot where you'll set it all up, manage your offers, and monitor performance. Next, you'll encounter the necessary step of activating the app embeds. This is crucial and is done through the side editor. You'll want to ensure that it's properly activated, as this enables the upsell features to work correctly on your site. Without this step, the app may be installed but not visible to customers, so it's an important detail not to overlook. With the setup now active, you're ready to start creating your offers. This is where the fun begins and you can get creative. Think about products in your store that naturally complement each other, or perhaps a bestseller that deserves the spotlight. For example, accessories, add-ons, warranties, or frequently bought together items often perform extremely well as cart upsells. You have the freedom to tailor these offers in a way that makes the most sense for your business and customer base. The more relevant the upsell is to what the customer already has in their cart, the higher the likelihood they'll accept it. The great thing about the Essential Upsell app is how it allows you to craft offers that aren't just enticing, but also seamlessly integrated into the shopping experience. Because the upsell appears directly in the cart, it catches attention at the perfect moment, right before checkout, when buying intent is already high. To wrap it up, that's all there is to it. With just a few straightforward steps, you have equipped your Shopify store with a powerful tool to encourage customers to add more to their cart. This small addition can make a significant impact on your revenue without requiring significant effort or financial investment, especially when scaled across many orders. Remember, the key to a successful upsell is relevance and timing, so make sure your offers are appealing and rightly positioned. Don't be afraid to test different products, messaging, or placements over time to see what converts best. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful for enhancing your Shopify store. By following these instructions, you should find the upsell setup process both easy and effective as you continue optimizing your store for higher conversions. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!